Good morning, students. Hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty. This is your Pallob sir from St. Gregory's High School and College. Today I am here to share a lecture video with Chapter 6. The name of Chapter 6 is the use of database. So this is our first official lecture video about Chapter 6. And today we will start this chapter. So let's start. In this chapter, we will be able to analyze the concept of database, describe the techniques of database management system, explain some importance of database management system, and prepare a database by using the software. So there are some parts of database which is very important, and we will learn step by step what is database, some concept of database, some practical part, etc. etc. So first of all, the name of the topic is the concept of database. So firstly we have to know what is database. So the part is what is database, that is, database is called the storehouse of information. It's like a brain of a computer system. Okay, like a human being, they can store their data in their brain, and in computer, a database is called the storehouse of information. It is a computer-oriented process by which collected information can be stored and recollected whenever it is necessary. In the other words, database is the store of collected data from where information can be collected in different ways to take important decisions. To define more easily, database is an organized list of voluminous data from where a requisite data is identified and picked easily as well as quickly. In this storehouse, voluminous information of different kinds are kept. So in these types of storehouse, voluminous information of different kinds are kept. I will try to mark some important lines which is very important for MCQ part. You already know that our SSC syllabus is fully consisted with 25 marks MCQ and 25 marks practical part. And in this chapter, the chapter 6 is bothly constructed with those things. Some MCQ part is so important here, and there are some practical part is also here. So then the database is also called database management system, as the data saved in the information storehouse is used in different management work. It is called database management system. So as the data saved in the information storehouse is used in different management work, it is called the database management system. So if there is thing that what is database DBMS, that means database management system, we can write that part. Classified information is stored in different files with different names, so the requisite information can be found easily. A database is usually formed with columns and rows. A database is usually formed with column and rows. Every column has a heading that indicates what type of data is contained on it. So every column has a heading part that indicates what type of data is contained on it. The headings are recognized as fields. A row is formed with some columns placed side by side. Each row is called a record. So there are some important parts. Each row is called a record. I will try to show you something like this is a table. Okay, so if this is a table, this serial number, name, age, date of birth, village, union, these all are called field. In database, this table heading part is called field, and these are the records. Like this is the first record, this is the second record, this is the third record, this is the fourth record. Okay, so first record means this full row, second record means this second full row. Okay, the whole row is called the second record, the whole row is called the third record, the whole row is called the fourth record. Like this the records are created, and this is the field of serial number, this is the field of name, this is the field of age, this is the field of date of birth, this is the field of village, this is the field of union. And there are some data which indicates the field of serial number, there are some data which indicates the field name. Okay, so the table heading part in database is called field, and the row, the whole row is called here record. So each row is called the record. Every column that contains serial number, name, age, date of birth, village, union, etc. is a field. So every column, I have already told that this is a field, this is another field, this is another field, this is in this table, in this full table, like table 1, the table name is table 1 is here. So in this full table we can see 6 fields. First one is serial number, second one is name, third one is age, fourth one is date of birth, fifth one is village, and sixth one is union. Okay, so every column that contains serial number, then name, then age, then date of birth, then village, and then union, etc. is a field. And under these fields, data like Abul Kashem 27 1960, Tepra Kanaihat are listed. So there are some data which indicates their fields. Several fields taken from the same row comprises a record. In the database placed above has 6 fields and 6 records. So in above database, in this database there are 6 fields like serial number, name, age, date of birth, village, union, and there are 6 records like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The 6 records are here. Data has been started preserving in the database files in computer since the 1960s. Then a database was formed with a data table. But now the concept of database has developed in many respects. Nowadays, one or multiple files of database, query, form, report, maxo, module, etc. can be saved under a database. So database is one or multiple files enriched with data or information. Some essential database programs are Microsoft Access, Fox Pro, DBase, Foxbase, Oracle, 4th Dimension, Paradox, etc. So these are the some basic, some popular database parts. And in this part, in this section, or like SSC ICT of Bangladesh, we will try to show you the practical part by using this Microsoft Access, Office Access. Okay, because this is so familiar for all of us. So in today's lecture, my dear students, we will cover this part. Next day we will show some better thing. Okay, so that's all for today, my dear students. Just read what we will learn day by day. That will help you to solve everything. And if you face any problem, please comment I will try to solve that. Thank you.